Ha ha ha. Now, I'm powered by Ultron, and I shall kill Peter Parker. Ha! Ha! Oh, stop, man! Jarvis, lock down all security. Sir, there has been a breach. Come on, Jarvis, get it! Oh my god! What? Ah! Ha ha! I am the only Iron Man in this town. Come on, Tony, get up. Jarvis? Yes, sir. You have an incoming... Yes, Jarvis, I know. Peter Parker came in. Hey, Mr. Stark. Hey, it's really rough. He beat me up, and there's this mean guy, and... Who is he? Bart Simpson, guys. Ha ha! Get wrecked. I work for him. And... sir, do you think this is necessary? It's not legal to steal gamma radiation.
Are you telling me what to do, son? I am the General Ross, so get it right. I am the Red Hulk. Red Hulk smash!
And sir, do you think it's real necessary to, do something to your arm or someone, Winter Soldier something? I am the Winter Soldier, boy. Don't talk to me. I'm your boss. I ditched Falcon a couple years ago. I'm the Winter Soldier.